My one piece of advice for someone coming into college would probably be that no one else is as put together as they make out to be.
In first year I was completely lost. I look back on myself now and I think, what was I doing? A lot of cases I'd ask myself, what was I doing? But I think it's a really essential thing to go through. You learn a lot about life.
I wish I knew and kind of took on board to just jump in and just do things and go to things, even if you're scared, even if it's a night out, if it's a debate, if it's anything, just go and just take the risk.
They hear from older brothers or cousins or friends that lectures don't really matter, but I think the sorry truth is that they do. And I think it's sort of important actually, while enjoying yourself, I think you'd focus on academic work. It's very difficult to cram a year's worth of study into 4 weeks at the end of term.
I think get involved in like absolutely everything, because like university life has stuff to cater for every interest and every type of student.
Everyone is still just trying to find their way, and you're in college to find your way. So don't freak out when you're like, oh my God, they all know what they're doing, I don't.
Don't be closed-minded, because you're going to face a lot of new experiences. Some are going to shock you, some are going to please you, some are going to disappoint you, but you have to learn to take them in your stride.